This is Tech Hack. I'm here with another fun tech video. In this video, let's unbox a remote-controlled helicopter. Please consider that you are a subscriber of my channel by smashing out that subscribe button and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. If you do end up the video finding it important, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. Now let's get this video started. First, let's unbox the package of the remote-controlled helicopter. The box is rectangular and a bit longer. Onto the top of the box there is a plastic holder to carry the packaging. Onto the left and right side of the box there are some pictures of the remote controller and the remote-controlled helicopter. Onto the front of the box there is a transparent polythene panel to show off the product. After peeling out the labels, we could slide out another plastic box with separated compartments. First we'll have a detailed user manual which helps to operate the product. Next we'll get the controller with some keys and 2 joysticks which requires 4 1.5 volts batteries to power up. Next we'll get a USB cable with an uncommon connector which we could use to charge the helicopter. Finally, we'll have our helicopter in a packet with pair of replaceable wings. Now I'll wind up the video. Have a nice day. Bye.